Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2015 Kia Sorento SX. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in ebony black. Under the hood you'll find a 3.3 liter V6 riding on top of 19-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, fold-away side mirrors with the turn signals, roof rails, smart key system for easy access, and a power liftgate. But now why don't we hop inside this Kia and see what else it has to offer. Helping ourselves inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a moment. This Kia does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket and your vehicle is locked, just press that button and the vehicle will unlock. We're going to take a look in the door first. On the bottom you have some nice storage space, and above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And next to the handle up top are your seating presets. Next to the door you have your lighting options, and you do have a heated steering wheel button. Equipped with all-weather mats and black leather seating, and on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. But now let's hop inside the Kia, start it up. There's a push to start, foot on the brake, engine start button right behind the wheel there. So what are we going to do? Move to the left side of the steering wheel first and take a look. Right here you have these arrows, and this will just help you navigate through your entertainment display located in the center. You also have your volume options and this mute button, which is nice and convenient. On the bottom you have your hands-free calling buttons. If we move to the right you have your cruise control settings. This button right here will adjust the steering wheel mode. There's 3 modes. We have normal, sport, and comfort. Next to that you have your voice recognition system, and on the bottom this button will allow you to navigate through your multi-information display in the center. And while we're looking in the center, let's just show you that this Kia has 43,387 kilometers on it. Now let's move on to our entertainment display. Right now we're on map. This Kia does come equipped with navigation. If we go ahead and press media, you can see you can connect your phone through Bluetooth. You also have a choice between USB and auxiliary. Let's go into reverse. Show you that backup camera, nice and clear. You get those guidelines as well. Below that, you have your climate control system. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. And the temperatures are shown on the top right and left corner. Underneath, driver heated cooled seats as well as passenger heated cooled seats. You have some nice storage on the bottom here as well as a USB auxiliary, and you have 2 12-volt outlets. Next to the shifter you have your 2 cup holders. Nice little storage space. Eco drive mode. And if we open up the center console, you got that shelf back there. Lots of room. And lastly, the glove box. There you got your owner's manual, but you also have lots of room in there as well. So now let's just close that right up. So before we take a look at cargo, let's take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom you have some storage just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black leather seating. Behind the passenger and driver's seat, you do have this nice little net for some extra storage. The rear passengers do have their own heated seats. If we look in the center here, you do have, come on, we have 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. And these seats do fold down. Just press that lever up, and that'll give you access to your cargo in the back. So to open up, all you got to do is hold this button on your key fob, and that power liftgate will open on its own. You can see we have this little cover going. This does retract. All you got to do is pull towards you, down, and that just goes back. Lots of cargo space in this Kia. Of course, the second row seating goes down like we mentioned, and that'll provide some extra storage space. We have this nice little rubber mat to protect against any harsh objects you might be carrying. And lastly, underneath here, if we just pull this up, you do have your tools and some extra storage space. And of course, your spare tire is located underneath the vehicle. So to close up, you got this button on top. Just give that a little press, and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our Kia Sorento, Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated leather seats, navigation, hands-free calling, and backup camera. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Edward Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.